guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax St. Petersburg, out enjoying a beautiful day on the water on an all-new Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. Now let's get this walkthrough started. We're going to start this walkthrough back here with the engines. We've got twin V6 Mercury naturally aspirated 225 horsepower 4-strokes. Now take a look at how beautiful these engines are between the shape and the color. White engines, white interior, white hull sides. Call it a vanilla ice cream paint job. Take a look at back here at all of the space here in the aft cockpit. Whether you're fishing, entertaining, hanging out, of course Whaler outdid themselves with an oversized bench seat. Folds away with ease. Follow me up here to a really good looking hardtop. Rod holder storage and the rocket launchers on either side of the hardtop. Also, if it wasn't a little bit cold out, you could definitely do a cannonball off the top of this bad boy. So take a look at this rich finish on the countertops here on the starboard side. Angle cooler down beneath. Coming over here, you're gonna have access to your live well. And you see set up right now is a forward facing passenger seat to a rearward facing passenger seat. Or go all out, put it all the way down, and you got yourself a lounging area. Plenty of JL audio speakers you see in the back of the boat, towards the midsection, up on the bow too. And over here, you're gonna have access to your oversized head down below. Typical of Boston Whaler, not to skimp out on the head. Coming over here to the helm seat. Take a seat in the captain's chair. We're already equipped with Mercury vessel view. Fusion head unit, of course. Room here for a 12-inch screen. Raymarine, Simrad, Bruno maybe. Whatever you like. Lights, switches, Lenco, trim tabs. Keep this boat riding really nice even when you've got a whole bunch of guests on one side of the boat. That's about it. Last but not least, we're going to come up on the bow to the lounging area up here. Very spacious even for your tall friends with the long legs. Two more Fusion speakers up here to keep the party going at all times. Cup holders, drink holders, you name it. The Boston Whaler Vantage is a true no compromise machine. Whether you like to fish, relax at the sandbar, or just go out and enjoy yourself with the family. What do I not like about this boat? Absolutely nothing. I like everything, and you will too. Once again, I want to thank you guys for joining me today for this walkthrough of this fine vessel. Now, if you guys have any other questions whatsoever on this exact boat or anything else in our Boston Whaler lineup, give me a call. Come on down. Let's talk boats, fishing, whatever, and let's get you on your next dream boat. I'm Captain Nick from MarineMax St. Petersburg, and until next time, I'm signing off.